My name is Wilbur Wright.
And I'm Orville.
We believed humans were meant to fly. People laughed at us. They called flying impossible.
But doubt never stopped us from believing.
We failed again and again. The planes kept crashing.
Our bodies were hurt, but our spirit wasn't.
We studied the wind, the balance, the air itself.
Every failure taught us how flight truly works.
That morning, fear stood right in front of us. But belief stood stronger. The machine left the ground and stayed in the air.